Hey, Emily, ready for your open door tour?
Yeah, I hope you're ready for the most awkward one yet.
What are you currently working on right now?
A little bit of everything actually, like logos and ad campaigns and websites, all in extremely condensed timelines.
What's one of the fastest deadlines you've had to meet?
An entire website in under 2 hours.
When did you start at Getwit?
I started in 2016 and we've hired a lot of people since then, like Erica and Paul and James.
What's your favorite place you've ever visited?
Paris.
I heard you're doing a DIY remodel. How's that going?
Overall pretty good. It has its ups and downs, but pretty good.
Can you give me a fun fact that nobody else knows?
I've had every color in my hair except for orange. Orange is a big commitment.
Oh, do you want to get a coffee?
Yeah, anything to get me out of this?
All right, I'll take an iced chai, almond.
Okay, yeah, see you later, bye. Ooh, that was torture.